Hello. I'm Jennifer Dupeau, licensed cosmetologist of over 25 years, trichologist, hair and scalp disorder specialist. I decided to come on to talk about clients that are suffering from major hair loss. Not your regular hair loss, but major hair loss. And we're not getting the connection that it's happening from internal, right? So the longer you wait to figure out what's going on, the more potential of you losing almost 50% of your hair. So I said, let me kind of make some points of why it's important to address what's going on inside. So I created a checklist for blood work because most doctors will not run blood work that is specifically to focus on hair loss, major hair loss, things of that nature. So this checklist, which is in my bio, so you just go to the link and download your free blood work checklist so that you can go to the doctor and have certain things ran based on the things that you know that's going on that they're not going to say it's beneficial because they're not really looking at you based on you losing your hair. They're looking at your body and saying you have a normal blood work based on your overall body, right? And your levels for your body being healthy is different from your hair health being normal. So I say it to say the sooner you figure out what's going on, the faster you can help recycle and rejuvenate your hair so that it can grow back more healthy based on internal as well as external care. So today I just wanted to talk about if you're having major issues with your hair. I'm a trichologist. I specialize in hair and scalp disorder. So when you come in, I'm going to read blood work. I'm going to ask questions regarding your health because everything lies in the gut. So if you're not eating right, you're lacking nutrition, and you have hormonal deficiencies, then everything is going to be haywire, which is really going to affect the hair health. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a small tip, and I will come back on to talk about some other things. We are going into the summertime, and you know we love protective styles. We love to not have to worry about doing our hair while we're going to the beach or we're traveling and things of that nature. But again, if you are someone that suffers from major hair loss or extreme shedding, you should not, I stress, you should not stay in hairstyles longer than 3 to 4 weeks. And I mean that because when your hair is in a protective style, you're telling your hair to rest. It's not getting energy, it's not getting blood flow, it's not getting nourishments by no stimulation to the scalp. So, if you are having any concerns and you need assistance or you just need a little bit of guidance, give me a call, 954-873-3179, or you can go online to justrelaxthewordandSpa.com and book your hair and scalp analysis consultation, and then we will go through step by step of what's going on in your body that might be causing major hair loss so that you can then go to the right doctors, because I do not diagnose, and it will help you to get at least established on what's going on so that you can get in front of what's causing the loss that you are uncertain of. All right, so appreciate you guys taking the time out to listen to me, and again, make it a great day.